Joint pain, stiffness, or weak bones making everyday tasks difficult? Don't ignore it. Ayurveda has a time-tested solution. Meet Bone and Joints Care Capsules, specially formulated with Mahayograj Gugul and other powerful herbs that support bone strength and joint flexibility. These capsules help maintain bone density, reduce inflammation, and aid in cartilage repair. They also improve calcium absorption and strengthen your musculoskeletal system. Whether you're struggling with arthritis, joint stiffness, or just want preventive bone care, this Ayurvedic formula keeps you moving with ease. The recommended usage is 1 to 2 capsules twice daily, or as directed by your physician. With consistent use, you'll notice reduced pain, better flexibility, and improved joint health. Take charge of your mobility and embrace a healthier, more active life. Order your Bone and Joints Care Capsules today at store.ayurvitewellness.com.